Let's analyze customer support channels from Zendesk. First, import data from Zendesk. Let's make a pivot table to calculate percentage distribution of ticket volume across different channels. Now a pivot table to total the ticket volume by response time and channel. Let's enhance the data by importing from HubSpot the monthly recurring revenue to assign ticket priority. Use Formula Builder to add the monthly recurring revenue. Lastly, use Formula Builder to prioritize tickets based on severity and monthly recurring revenue.